What up, what up, what up, what up, what up? I'll give you guys a quick little update. Give you guys a quick little prediction. Getting everything in order here. All right, guys, I'm going to give you a quick little update and prediction for what we got going on tomorrow. Friday options expire, so we want to be ready for tomorrow. We still have call options on the 514s. The 514s and the 514.50s are still way in the money. SPY had another pop to the upside here. You can see that MACD starting to curl down and RSI overbought here on the 2-hour time frame. Let me just look at things real quick. I haven't looked at the charts too much today yet. Okay, outside the bands on the daily. Gap fill. Want to put that on there. AMC. GameStop back in the wedge. Okay. Back in the wedge. Okay. All right, ladies and gentlemen. So we have NASDAQ. NASDAQ is back inside of the wedge. NASDAQ back inside of the rising wedge. So this is something we want to take a note of. We had a false breakdown once here and then second one here. Right back to the upside, back inside the wedge. NASDAQ probably going to try to trend back to the upside, continuing to put in new highs. As you guys can see, SPY doing the same thing. Massive pump to the upside after we got our rates. We got our rates yesterday. And then the Fed had a speech. I wasn't overwhelmed by the Fed speech, guys. I don't know how you guys felt about it personally. Me personally, I was not overwhelmed by the speech. I really feel like the speech was kind of the Fed saying, look, honestly, this meeting was really messed up, guys. Like, the Fed was kind of like, look, I know things are messed up, but we're just going to keep doing what we're doing. That's literally what they were saying to me anyways. I don't know what you guys got out of that, what context you guys pulled out of it, but we watched it live together. I know I kind of cut it up a little bit and interjected in there. But hopefully you guys got the general gist of the situation. And I believe that the Fed is literally kind of like almost throwing their hands up at this point, saying, like, I don't know what's going on. Yeah, it's just a bump on the road. We're just going to continue doing what we're doing. 5.5. We're not raising rates. We're not lowering rates. We're not changing anything. We're not doing less rates. Even though the data is showing that things are not okay. So the market completely detached from fundamentals, as you guys can see. And the only fundamentals this would be, if this was any type of fundamental, would be inflation. That assets are just rising because inflation is out of control, and assets will continue to rise in a hyperinflationary style collapse unless we have some type of deflation, which is what a depression or recession is. So this is where we're at with things, guys. You see that we're moving to the upside on SPY, completely detached from reality. In my personal belief, I think it's a bubble. Some people think it's a new bull run. It might be a new bull run bubble. It might be something crazy that we never seen before. But ladies and gentlemen, this is not natural. I'm telling you that right now. Stocks do not move like this. Massive amount of bearish divergence here as price continues to trend higher, and RSI with a clear trend down. Very disturbing developments here on SPY. If we go ahead and look at the weekly time frame, we can see that RSI is sitting at 82. These are legendary levels that we've only reached one before, and that's when we had this massive pullback to the downside right before the C flew. We got up here before, and that's when we've seen this kind of pullback too. This was in 2018. This was in 2021. RSI got up to about 83, and then we had that pullback here. Very, very interesting developments, guys. Very, very interesting developments. As far as the meme stocks are concerned, you guys can see that AMC is sitting at $4.17. Had a pullback to about $4.15. Retesting those levels. We are still inside the buy zones for those overall buy orders that we've been watching and that have refusing to go away. They're just constantly here. Buy orders for AMC in these levels of $4. This leads me to believe that this is a possible accumulation range for AMC where shares are being accumulated. Basically, a long operator is accumulating shares before a move to the upside, in my personal opinion, okay? That's just what I believe from what I'm seeing on these charts. It's going to be consolidation, maybe even moving down to a lower low of maybe like 410. We do have this $4 buy wall as well that we have to keep in mind, and there's a gap fill down at $4 that we have to keep in mind. But right now, we just remain inside of this bullish flag. We have a push to the upside, which is exactly what you want to see for a bull flag, and we have our consolidation, and then we could get our move up with the bull flag. So we remain inside the bull flag, and it looks good for AMC over the long term of things. GameStop, as you guys can see, GameStop sitting back inside this falling wedge. Probably going to trend down with the falling wedge into earnings and then have a pop to the upside after earnings, in my personal belief. Price targets to the low side. We have this $13.12, possibly $12 price target. So maybe like $13.15, $13 and $12 are possible price targets to the downside that we could be looking for this particular asset. All right, we got Zelly in the building, Banner in the building, Big Reese in the building, Kai Supreme, Momo, Andrew. What's up, y'all? Thank you guys for being here right now. Make sure you guys press that like button if you don't mind. Power Hour with Datazero. Okay, if we're looking at Bitcoin, Bitcoin had a decent pop to the upside after bouncing off of 60,000. That's showing 60,000 as a major level of support. I actually want to take this and delete that, and we're going to do a rectangle because we kind of have this. We want to watch these levels. This is a major level of support. Now, we want to watch this carefully, guys. Nice bounce for BTC, possibly a reversal, but this is what's really crazy, y'all. Bollinger Bands constricting, MACD. Red right now, but this is on the daily time frame. MACD, we need to see the MACD curl up before these bands constrict, and we need to see price get above this medium line. You guys see this is the 20 moving average, okay? That's what this line is. It's the 20 moving average. We need to see price get above the 20 moving average in order to see BTC have a pop to the upside instead of having a big move to the downside. Bollinger Bands constricting is letting us know volatility is coming for Bitcoin. Okay, so we 100% know a big move's coming. We know a big move is coming. Is it going to be to the upside or downside? Right now, with all the clues that I have, it says downside because we have red MACD and we are below the medium line. Those are two very telling signs that are saying it's going to be to the downside. We also have a sell signal on the daily time frame. That's another sign. We also have alligator flipping on momentum. That's another sign. So we need to watch to see if we get some type of maybe a bullish pennant or something like that to continue to the upside. We need to break back above $69,200 on BTC. So really the target that you need to see on Bitcoin is $69,200, and you need that broken on BTC to have a nice move to the upside. Hopefully this gets some of the greed out of the Bitcoin market. Still in extreme greed. I want to get some of this greed out, maybe. Get the RSI down, which is good. RSI is coming down. On the weekly, it's at 78. See, what I'm thinking is, though, last time we had it, this rally, man, RSI was only at, okay, no, RSI slowly came down. That was bearish divergence. You can see price rising while RSI is going down. That could have told you everything right here in 2020 and 2021, that there was about to be a crash because, see, look, this is what's going to happen. Bitcoin's going to start ranging, and we're going to get altcoin season. Bitcoin's going to start ranging, bruh. It's going to range, and it's going to range and then pop to the upside maybe one more time. But I'm telling you guys, for the most gains for BTC, it might be that 73 so far. I mean, it is so far. It is. But, like, the thing is, BTC might, bro, it's probably going to range, maybe get one more higher high, but I think that altcoins are going to be where it's at, and that's why I'm talking about rolling in the altcoins possibly. You know what I mean? Because look what happened last time. Last time we had a big push up. BTC started ranging and then dumped. We had this little mini bear market, and then it rallied for this like complacency rally. It did make a higher high, but then it pulled back for a long time. Unless there's one other scenario. Unless we are actually at, and I'm wrong, but I felt euphoria. I felt euphoria. But it could be that I felt euphoria because I bought at the bottom. But unless I'm wrong and we're at like belief, and we're actually at this stage in the bull market where we pull back before another big leg up. We're either at this stage in the bull market where we start to range and altcoin season comes, or we're going for another leg up. We got to watch Bitcoin dominance. We got to watch market cap, and we have to watch for any type of like divergence, because this had a bearish divergence. You can see that price was trending up. RSI was trending down during that time while price was trending up. Overall uptrend, making higher lows and higher highs. RSI clearly making lower highs and lower lows. So that would have told you everything here about, hey, we're about to dump. Then you had your consolidation. You had this inverse head and shoulders. Right here's a shoulder. Right here's a head. Right here's a shoulder. And you got that crazy bounce to the upside off that inverse head and shoulders. So we're going to be watching for technical signals, patterns, all of that. No way. Big Reese, 81. Splendid day. Big Reese. Gifting 5 gifteds. Thank you, Big Reese. I appreciate you, dog. Hell yeah. Power hour with Datazero. XMMGX. Asher. Berlin. Ronald. Julie was all just gifted. Please thank Big Reese for the gifteds. All right, so we're going to be watching BTC, y'all. We're going to be watching BTC closely. Your boy cashed out, but I got a long-term position, and I got some USDTC that I need to put to work, either in altcoins or BTC. So I need to figure out if we're going to have another push to the upside, or are we going to start ranging and then pull back. I have two theories. Again, I just explained both of them. Either that we're in the ranging stage and we're going to pull back, or my more bullish theory, which is that we're actually in the belief stage hold on. We're actually in the belief stage and we're pulling back before a massive leg up to the upside. Belief stage pulls back before a massive pump up. I know we're beyond optimism. I know it. This was optimism here. And this could potentially be belief, bruh. And we could see that 80K and beyond. But we got to really, really stay focused. We got extreme greed. We have to move like smart money. We got to do what we do. That way we can build our portfolios. We can get more crypto. Because if we cash out and move the right way, we can get more crypto in the long run. Because we go back into fiat or USDTC and then swing it back into Bitcoin. Overall, altcoins doing okay. Jasmine up 16%. ICP up 5%. XLM up 3.1%. What else we got? XRP up 6.3%. XRP up 6.3% today. Hell yeah. You love to see it. Brrr. I'm building my portfolio. Yeah, XRP pushing right now. I'm building the portfolio. One move at a time, baby. It's been a struggle. It's been a battle. You know what, though? We're on the journey together. All right, let me let everyone know I'm doing a little power hour shindig. My last video got 1.7K views. Thank you so much. Because I know we ended on like 1.5, so I don't know how that happened. I don't know how that happened. Or did we end on 1.6? Most people watch during the actual event, not after, but some people do watch the VODs after. It got 153 views since published. Thank you so much. And we're at, listen guys, we're also at 10,400 subs, baby. Let's go. Each day we're climbing. DataZero. Power hour with DataZero. All right, it looks like AMC wants. Okay, and this is what I want to talk about real quick too. It looks like AMC is possibly making a double bottom off of $15. We need to watch this because look, here's the thing. You have this big move down. You have a bottom, then a bounce. If we can get another bounce back to the upside towards like $4.20, $4.25 around that range, if we can push back up to the upside off of this $15 level, that's going to be a double bottom. And that would actually be really good for the structure of the overall bull flag that we're in, because we need to test this top line again. So we need to get a push back up to about $4.44. So we want to see if we can maybe get this double bottom, which would take us to about $4.44, because you can see the original point right here where we start. We come back down. We have a bottom. We bounce. Then we come back down. If we can get another good bounce, it will take us back up to this range where we can retest this upper line, and then we can come back down, consolidate, and then bounce around the time of GameStop's earnings. We also want to watch shares available to borrow, because they've been trying to get this thing crazy on the shares. Shares available to borrow for AMC is 300,000. Shares available to borrow for GME is 35,000. Okay, where's what's the other thing I want to look at? Market heat map. Tech is up, semiconductors up, Apple is down. We got to watch Apple, because Apple's been crashing in the background. No one's really talking about it, but Apple's been kind of crashing in the background, and no one's really talking about it. It just broke down out of this bear flag. We talked about this bear flag earlier on the channel. As you guys can see, we have this bear flag here breaking down below critical support and resistance as well. You can see there's a critical support and resistance here at about 173.50. And as you guys can see, we broke below that with the bear flag, trying to retest higher highs. This is very bearish for Apple. Apple's been crashing in the background. Nobody's talking about it. But Apple's been absolutely tanking in the background. No one talking about it. Tesla as well, bro. Tesla's also been on an overall downtrend from the peak. If you look at the peak way back here at 414, Tesla has been in a massive downtrend that no one's talking about. Apple, since the peak of 199, has been in a decent downtrend as well, possibly making the nastiest double top that we have ever seen ever. Look at this possible double top, bruh. Look at this possible double top. Whoa. Whoa, guys. This could take us way back down to this gap fill. We need to pay attention. People thinking that the market will never crash. The market's going to crash when you least expect it. That's what's going to happen. That's why I stay hedged, baby. Because that one time that it does, I'm going to get paid out. It costs me nothing to hold SQQQ. In fact, it pays me to hold SQQQ. All I need to do is put my money into SQQQ, collect my dividends, and then pays me. It literally pays me to be hedged. That's what people have to realize. They have to worry about the long game. They don't understand the long game. They don't understand that time in the market literally is better than time in the market. But if you can do both, why not? Literally just collecting dividends. Collect, which you can use to reinvest with a reinvestment program in your broker, or you can reinvest them yourself. It's also passive income. And then if the market collapses, I get paid. I literally get paid to hold the stock, because all I have to do is buy the stock and hold it. That's the only expense that you have, is buying the actual stock. You literally get paid to hold it while you're holding it. And then when something bad does happen, guess what? You have insurance. You have insurance. You're about to get paid because something bad happened. That's what the rich do. If the rich lose their shit, guess what? They got insurance. They're about to get even more money. They're not about to lose nothing. So you got to start moving how you got to move, baby. There's multiple things you can do, but this is just one thing I know about with stocks. I mean, you could do other things with like credit and stuff like that. There's credit flips, real estate flips. There's all types of shit you can do, but stocks is one guaranteed way to generate income that any normal person can do. Any normal person can pick up their phone, download a trading app, and put some money into an account and start trading. And you can do it right from your crib. So like, this is literally one answer that you have. If you're stuck in a place, right, and you don't know how to make no bread, right, and you're stuck in a place and you need to make some extra bread, You literally don't even need to go anywhere. All you need is your device. And you can make the money. Now, it's not as easy as that because you got to learn. You got to put in the time because nothing's as easy as that. Nothing's giving. But if you put in the time and you put in the work, you can make it happen. All right, so we want to see if AMC can get back above $4.20. AMC can get back above $4.20. What about the Discord? Discord is 150. Discord is 150 for a lifetime invite. I do weekly trades on there where I talk about, but mostly do like SPY puts, calls, options, SQQQ, sometimes GameStop shares. We did a GameStop play a few weeks back where it was like GameStop for $15 calls. Those went in the money. We also did this. I did a buy signal when GameStop, before GameStop had this massive rally to $18. I put out a buy signal in the Discord to buy GameStop, and it ran 50%. I talked about Rumble in the Discord. Rumble was another play that broke out, bull flag, and then I give price targets and stuff like that. So you don't have to wonder about how high it's going to go or when it's going to pull back. If you just follow the price target, you'll be fine. That was another 44% gain. So, I mean, just a couple 50% gainers in a few days because these are big moves in a few days. These are big swings. They're not taking a long time. It's just a few days to get 50%. That's a decent move right there. We have the dollar sitting at 104 as well. This is another thing. Bull markets don't happen while the dollar is sitting at 104. And in fact, SPY doesn't rally while the dollar has a massive day like this. The market is completely detached from fundamentals, guys. Completely detached. It's not detached. It's not detached. I don't want to say that. It's not detached from fundamentals. It's just not the fundamentals that we're used to. This is inflation. This is inflation because if you have a dollar that's like this, that's a strong over. Listen, I'll show you in history. Most bull runs occur as of lately when the dollar is under 99. And I showed you guys with SPY. If you look at the time periods of when the SPY rallied and then pulled back and then rallied again, you can see that the dollar did the exact opposite. This is inflation. So here's 2020. Here's 2022, 23. So 2022, 23 is when the market pulled back. And you can see that the dollar went over. And it's been sustained above. It's actually gaining strength in an overall uptrend. Assets should be going down. Assets should be going down. If the dollar's gaining strength, asset prices should be falling, but they're not. That's because inflation. This is crazy. Could this be the end of the world? I don't want to get crazy like that, right? It's not that doom and gloom. Could it be the end of the current financial system, though? Could it literally be the end of the current financial system as we know it? And they really are. I don't want to talk like that because some YouTubers talk like that, but because we're so, I don't want to say advanced because that sounds like elitist, but like if you really study what's going on and you do it every single day, because it makes it as a YouTuber, it makes it your job to do this. So if you study every single day and look at the news and stocks and technicals and fundamentals, analysis and data every single day, you're learning a lot of shit. And what if this really is the collapse that will lead into central bank digital currency? What if they collapse the old system to bring in a new system? See, if I start talking like this, I'll get shadow banned. because that's exactly what's going to happen. They're going to collapse this system and bring in the new system. Yeah, glad to see you here, Berno. Glad to see you here, Zelly, Big Reese. Tan for short in the building. S. Ramsey, Andrew, Kai Supreme, JJ Hunners. Got 70 people in the building right now. 70 people in the building right now. 70 people in the building right now. If you don't mind, press that like button. If you don't mind, press that like button. If you don't mind, press that like button. This is Power Hour with a DataZero. Power Hour with a DataZero. We're looking at stocks, crypto, news, technical analysis, and much, much more. Momo in the building. Options trader in the building. Nate in the building. What up? AMC projections? What do you mean, like what I think AMC's? I told you guys. AMC is still in. I just gave you guys a huge update on AMC. AMC is still in this overall pennant. We're probably going to trend and stay in this range until GameStop earnings, which is March 26th. So when you look, AMC has literally been flat basically in this price range for 2 weeks. So when AMC finally moves March 26th, March 27th, everyone needs to thank me because I called that. Okay, so when AMC finally breaks out and moves to the upside March 26th, March 27th, I called that. And we're going to watch GameStop trend down, down, down into earnings. Earnings is going to happen, and this happened before with GameStop. It had a pop to the upside. Here's earnings. GameStop, pop to the upside. You know why? Because that earnings was a banger. GameStop got mad cash in the bank. Listen, we about to trend down in the earnings again, and what did GameStop do? Trend down in the earnings. Trended down from a long time, too. Went all the way from $27 all the way down to $11. Earnings came. Pop to the upside. So, I'm looking at GameStop. Possible play around 26, 27. Not financial advice. I'll probably have that in the Discord for you guys. You already know what it is. I'll take care of you. Thursday. It's the Thursday report. This is the DataZero report for today. All right, so what else do we got? And I went over Bitcoin. I went over everything. I said Bitcoin. I went over everything very, very, I think, eloquently. I think I covered everything pretty fairly. I covered each thing. SPY. So now we're watching for current developments. Maybe if I see anything, some other technical, some other news, some other predictions, we'll have that. We got 81 people in the building right now. 81 people in the building. Hell yeah. All right. I didn't think we would get this many people here within only an hour's time. I've only started streaming at 3 p.m. And as you guys can see, we do have 85 people in the building right now. I didn't think that many people would come. So shout out if you're here. I appreciate you for being here. Also, AMC on the short term, we're looking to see if we can get a double bottom. Because I told you guys about this just a little bit ago too. Oops. So we're looking to see if AMC can possibly double bottom because we have all these buy orders here. So we see this overall downtrend from about $4.44. We're seeing to see if AMC can move back up to about $4.17 to about $4.20. If AMC can bounce back to that range off of this low of $4.15, that's going to send AMC back up to about $4.44 where we can retest the top of this sloping resistance here. And if we can retest the top of that sloping resistance, that will confirm. We'll probably reject from that level and then consolidate into the 26 before seeing a move up. The 26 is right around here. So 26th, 27th, around that time. If GameStop's earnings is in after hours, it most likely would be like the 27th or 28th. Which would put us right at the tip of the wedge. That's April 4th, way down there. If we can get the double bottom, that would actually lead into the 26th and 27th. GameStop earnings is on the 26th. So GameStop earnings is on March 26th after market close. And I also reported on GameStop that it bounced back inside the falling wedge. So GameStop had this falling wedge. It kind of had this false breakdown, but GameStop bounced right back inside the wedge. So GameStop now back inside the wedge where it can trend down to the 26, where we could have a pop to the upside. So this is what we want to see. GameStop got a good bounce off of that. And I talked about that possibly happening yesterday. I said that, hey, GameStop will probably get a good bounce back to the upside, and it did just that. It's green on the day so far. It's just having some pullback, but it had a good bounce back to the upside to about 1402. But I'm expecting it to trend down all the way to like possibly where's the 26? So we have pretty low price targets, guys. We have like 13, 12. We have. I'm going to have to look at previous support and resistance. Hold on. So 1286, 1250. So we got to watch. Also, if GameStop trends down and has like a spring type action, because we've basically been accumulating, if we have like a spring type action right here and pop to the upside, that would be crazy. And especially if it's a higher low. So if it's a higher low than this $11.83 low, we could see a massive move. I'm thinking it might happen, guys, for real. Because look, we had a 50% run. Let's not forget what happened here on GameStop. Let's not forget that we had a 50% run right here not too long ago. We could easily have another 50% run on GameStop, if not higher. Which would take us to about almost $18 to $19, which would line up exactly, if we had another 50% run, it would literally line up exactly with what I've been telling you guys on the macro for the longest time. And again, the macro plays out. When in doubt, zoom out. That we're going to have a disbelief rally back up to $18, which I've been saying over and over and over and over again, and then break out. It's literally saying the exact same thing I'm telling you guys is going to happen after we trend to the downside, have earnings. If we have another 50 to 40% rally, we'll rally back up to about 18 to 19 bucks. We'll use this level of support and we'll take off. It's lining up perfectly, guys. And it's all explained on the monthly MACD. Monthly MACD curling up, trying to go green. Weekly MACD, green. Been green. Where are the Bollinger Bands? Constricted. Volatility incoming. What's the monthly look like? I bet the monthly is constricted. Yeah. Volatility incoming. A pop to the upside. Look what Bitcoin did before it took off. Bands constricted. Look how the bands tighten up before something takes off. And then it take off. Look. GameStop. Bands constricting. Bullish momentum building. This thing's about to take off back to the upside soon. A couple months. Now macro takes time. These are week. These are monthly candles we're looking at. So this takes time. This takes months. AMC. Bands constricting. Look at this MACD. This MACD looks even better. So you guys can believe what you want. You can do what you want. I know that technicals will lead me to the promised land. They do every single time. That's how I got the Apple trade. That's how I got the Bitcoin trade. And that's how I'm going to continue to make good trades documented here on YouTube. So I can look back in 2, 3, 4, 5 years and say, damn, I progressed. I progressed. I progressed. It's literally my journal of trades logged publicly. Apple, Bitcoin, legendary. I need another one. SQQQ, something. I'm going to find that set up. Now, you guys know me. I never like to keep my eggs in one basket. So, I always have multiple plays for massive, massive gains. Bitcoin I was talking about it just a little bit ago. I said Bitcoin, SQQQ, AMC and GME were my setups for big gains, right? Over a long period of time. Bitcoin done played out. I cashed out on that one. I said I needed another Apple trade. That was Bitcoin. Now, where are we looking at? What do we need next? We need another one. What's it going to be? I'm going to look and find it. But I need another home run hitter, baby. I can't stop here. It's like when you drop a good song, right? You need to make the next song. You need to make the next hit, the next banger. You can't be a one-hit wonder. Are you a one-hit wonder, or can you consistently produce gains? Find out in your next episode of DZ. We got Bollinger Bands constricting here on SPY, ladies and gentlemen. We want to watch this. Bull bands constricting on SPY. What time frame was that? Hourly time frame. Bollinger Bands constricting. Red MACD. Possible drop to the downside. Could we play some puts? I'll let you guys know. All I know is the call options from Discord are absolutely printing. The call options in the Discord are absolutely printing. Those 514s and 514.50s are deep in the money right now, ladies and gentlemen. Those 514s and 514.50s are deep in the money, fam. This is crazy. Bro, that's way back here. Those things are so far into the money. They literally been printing all week. So that means if you were in the Discord and you got the play, you've been printing money all week if you didn't cash out. Now, if you were smart, you probably cashed out. If you were ballsy and risky and want to lose everything, you got rewarded this time. But you've been printing all week. It's now Thursday and it's been doing nothing but print for you. Deep in the money. Very, very, very deep in the money. Okay, we got 92 people in the building right now. This is insane. I did not expect this. We are with Power Hour right now. I did not expect this. Thank you for being here, man. You could have been anywhere else, but you chose to be here, man. I truly appreciate that. I did not expect it. We're going to watch AMC. I didn't realize what time it was. We're going to watch AMC for the rest of the day and flip between SPY and GameStop. Market will be closing soon, ladies and gentlemen, in about 12 minutes. Market will be closed. Market will be closed in about 12 minutes. Current price for SPY, 522.42. Current price for AMC, 417. Current price for GameStop, 1357. Current price for Bitcoin, 65,235. We got 95 people in the building right now. If you can, press that like button. Press that like button. Can we get over 50 likes in 1 hour? Can we get over 50 likes on the video in less than 1 hour? Let's find out. It is Power Hour with DataZero. You are watching Power Hour with DataZero, man, and I appreciate you for being here. You could have been anywhere else right now in the metaverse, but you chose to be at DataZero's broadcast, and I appreciate it, man. All right, so here's what we're doing. We're going to be looking at SPY and GameStop and AMC until the market closes. I gave you guys updates, predictions, news, and I just got logged out. Damn. They tried to get me on the live stream. Weeble only does this when I'm live. It only does it. It never does this when I'm not live. Never, bruh. Never happens, dude. Let DataZero be live, though. And this shit gonna be a problem. I guarantee it. Shit never happened when I'm not live. Can we get over 50 likes? We need 5 more likes, ladies and gentlemen. This is absolutely insanity. Thank you guys for showing out, showing up. DataZero family in the building, baby. Let's go. Dude, we're getting powerful, y'all. We're getting strong, dude. We're getting powerful, y'all. We command respect because we have the numbers. Yo, we do this shit, bruh. DZ family is becoming powerful, y'all. Commanding the respect. Doing numbers, dog. Instantly. I want to put support and resistance. And for these lower levels, I'll do those ones later again. So that way my chart's not so clouded. I still have 1,000 gap fills though, but those gaps have to be there. I have to know them that they're there. I'm gonna delete some of them though. Just the big ones like this one, this one. Delete that. I was sitting close as fuck to that screen to try to see them gaps. Yo. 8 minutes remaining. 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 Everyone press the like button. We need 2 more likes. We need 2 more likes to get 50 likes. We need 2 more likes to get 50 likes. Let's see where our top chatters are. Let's see top chat and top. Let's see everything. Momo still leads the way with 1,959. And Kai Supreme second. Have a great day third. Bano fourth. Eric G fifth. This is over the past couple of days. Since 3/14. Momo has sent 1,959. Kai Supreme sent 1,483. Have a great day sent 1,197. Bano sent 1,053. Eric G sent 970. And this is from 3/14 until now. What if those messages cost you money? That would be horrible. We made it. 50 likes on the video, baby. Almost 100 people in here, too. We got 95 people in here right now. I did not expect that. I thought we'd get like 30. Thank you guys for being here, man. I thought I'd get like 30, bro. I know it doesn't matter to you guys, but as a YouTuber, that's just stuff I look at. 50 likes. 5 new members too, bro. What? Bro, I gotta document this. This has gotta be documented for future preservation, y'all. I gotta let everyone know the madness. All right, so I literally just streamed for an hour. We got 93 people in here somehow. Already 52 likes and 5 new members. Absolute insanity for only an hour, bruh, of being streaming. This is crazy, fam. All right. Bruh, we literally only went on for 1 hour, bro. Thank you guys for being here, man. Again, y'all could have been anywhere else. Y'all chose to be here. And that matters to me, man. That matters to me. She's beautiful to me. All right, GameStop 1366, AMC 417, SPY 522.40, 522.40 on SPY, SPY green, AMC red, GME green. We have 4 minutes remaining. 4 minutes remaining. 4 minutes remaining. Current price for Bitcoin, $65,400. Bitcoin needs to break back above 65,600 to be bullish. I repeat, 65,600. is what Bitcoin needs to hold to be bullish. It needs to get back above that critical support and resistance line. It was kind of making a bull flag and then fell off. What's going on, Bitcoin? You're losing momentum. I don't like it. Bitcoin momentum fading. We need to see momentum pick back up for BTC. This 2-hour time frame looks interesting in this. I want to see if they used any shares today. Was it just bearish? Yeah, they've been using shares the whole time, guys. Since 7 hours ago, they dumped. They've been dumping the whole time. They had 300,000 12 hours ago. They dumped down to 150,000. Then they picked up 500,000 more and dumped down to 300,000. So they've been doing this all day. Wow. So a mass amount of volume and no candle. That's just what that says. That's a volume candle. I understand that now. So you just have a massive amount of volume, but cost to borrow just doesn't go up. It goes down. That makes sense. That makes a lot of sense. That's some fishy shit, dog. That's some fishy shit. You just have this huge volume spike, and we seen them borrow. How many shares was it? It was like 2 million or some shit. We seen them borrow it. And now it's gone. They used them all. But somehow cost to borrow went down. Do you see this volume spike on this candle? These white candles are volume. You see this volume spike? Bro, it should have skyrocketed. Unless the data didn't come in yet. This don't make no sense. AMC's cost to borrow is going up, which is good. It's not going up a lot. We want to see it go like that. If we see it go like that, look, see that was in 210. You'll see a price spike. So look, 210. 210, look. 210, cost to borrow shot up. Look at the price. You see price going up to about $5.15. Here's 210 right here. And what happened 210? AMC's cost to borrow skyrocketed. From 210 all the way to 213. And look what happened to price. 210. Right here. And here's 213. Right here. Price starts going up. GameStop, same thing. If you look at GameStop cost to borrow. GameStop cost to borrow rocketed at 11.28. If you look at GameStop stock, go to 11.28. 11.28 is right here. Where price went from all the way from this low of $11 and like 89 cents all the way up to 18.59. Whoa, did we just get a gifted? No way. Thank you so much, dude. Who gave the gifted? Momo! Momo gifting but never receiving. Momo giving but never receiving. Momo giving a gifted right now but never has gotten a gifted. Thank you, Momo. You are the man. Momo with the gifted membership. I thank you. Momo just gifted Brian a membership. So, Brian, if you don't mind thanking Momo, you just got a free membership. You just got a free membership. Market is closed. 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 Ladies and gentlemen, market is now closed. Market is now closed. We are at $522.19 for SPY. AMC's at $419. GameStop's at $13.56. Bitcoin's at $65,048. Looks like AMC is gaining some bullish momentum here with the 5-minute MACD. It might try to make that double bottom happen. Let's find out. We want to see a bounce off of this $15 level back up to about 424, 425. If we can see that on AMC, that's going to be bullish for a double bottom. Ladies and gentlemen, that was Power Hour of DataZero. If you found it informative, go ahead and drop a like. If you like what you see, go ahead and subscribe. I appreciate you for being here. If you're watching this after, go ahead and drop a like and subscribe if you like what you've seen. I drop news, predictions each and every day. We do this, so we like to have fun and make money and have fun. This is the DZ family, DZ live stream, DZ family in the building. You guys already know what it is. We got Zelly Zen, Momo, Nightbot. Have a great day. Tan for short. Kai Supreme, Todd, J.D. Hunnits, Adrian, what up? We're thriving, dude. We're thriving right now. We are thriving. DZ fam is growing strong, baby. DZ fam is growing strong. Thank you guys for being here, man. DZ family in the building. See you guys. See you later. Have a good night. Thank you, man. I appreciate the compliment. I'm an entrepreneur of the hats. I like lots of hats. Entrepreneurial of the hats, you should say. All right, guys, I just dropped a little ad. I'm sorry, guys. I just dropped a little ad, and then we still have 70 people in the building right now. So you already know, man, this is core family right here, bro. You already know. It is core family in the building right now. We still got 70 people in the building as we speak. Absolutely insane. Later, bruh. See you, Chris. Take it easy, dog. Can't wait to quit my 9 to 5. See you, dude. Any plays coming up? That's what we're going to find out, bro. We'll be looking for them. We'll keep our eyes open. That's what we're looking for. The plays. I will keep my eye open. DZ after hours, you dig? Afternoon hanging. Y'all have a good night. You too, man. You too, Robert. I appreciate it. Bano's back. Back in the building with another one. She said after party. I'm not staying on too long. I'm going to get off. I'm actually going to go get some coffee and stuff. I got on just to give you guys an update and prediction, basically. And just to do power hour and stuff like that. I wanted to give you guys an update. I don't know why, but I started looking at the charts. So basically, here's what happens. I say today, this is what happens. I say today, I'm not going to do anything. I'm not going to do no charts, no work, no research. Just for today. Just for today. I'm not going to do anything, right? So then I start looking at the charts somehow. I always look at the charts. They're always on my computer anyways. So I always look at the charts, and then I start seeing what's happening. Oh, I see SPY hit a new high. I see that Bitcoin pulled back and went below critical support and resistance and retested it as resistance. I need to report on all of this. I need to report on all of this because the fam needs to know what is going on. So then I'm like, fuck, well, and then I start feeling good because I didn't do anything because I'm used to streaming every single day. So if I don't stream right in the morning, it's like, well, I didn't do anything today. So then I feel really good. And then I'm like, because I'm all refreshed and shit. And then next thing you know, I'm streaming on Power Hour. So that's how that happens. That is how that happens. Yeah, guys. All right, let's get out of here. Let's get out of here, guys. It's mandatory that we all go now. I know we want to stay, but it is mandatory that we have to go now. I love you all. All right, here's what's going on. I'm turning the camera off. You guys can stay for a few more minutes. But other than that, man, I appreciate you guys. As always, y'all know the motto, man. Have fun. Stay safe. Make money. Peace out. You dig? I appreciate you guys. Thank you. DZ family. Out. Thank you all. We are the very best, man. I love the energy in the chat right now. Thank you guys for being a part of the DZ family. It could not be as great as it is without you. I can't believe we got 6 new members. All right, ladies and gentlemen, that was Power Hour with DataZero. Power Hour with DataZero. I appreciate you guys for being here. I'm going to go ahead and shut down the stream. Thank you guys for being a part of the DZ fam. Truly appreciated. Hopefully you have a good evening. If there will be a video, it will be around 8:30 Eastern Standard Time. If not, I will catch everyone tomorrow on the live stream around 9:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. As always, y'all, have fun. Stay safe. Make money. Peace out.